Ladies and gentlemen, please remain in your seats with your seatbelt fastened as long as the captain still has the overhead seatbelt sign switched on. The sign is still on at the moment. The toilet should not be used at this time, and those of you travelling with small children, ensure they too are strapped in. In a few more minutes, as soon as the aircraft is levelled off and it is safe to do so, we shall commence the in-flight service. Initially, we shall be coming through the cabin with a full bar, and this will be followed by hot dinner. After dinner, we'll also be coming through with a seat-side duty-free service, and details of all the purchases you may make may be found in the new boutique magazine in the seat pocket in front of you. And just for the information of those of you now on the first leg of a return journey back to Boston, when you clear through Dublin Airport, you'll also clear through customs. Therefore, the Aer Lingus flight is deemed a domestic flight, and we're not permitted to sell our duty-free range on board. So basically, if you wish to purchase anything at all, tonight is your opportunity to do so. If you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to ask any of the crew. We also have a detailed in-flight entertainment system on board, both video and audio. As you can see, each seat is fitted with your own individual monitor. Because of this, we'd ask parents or guardians travelling with small children to exercise parental control over what they are viewing. There are dedicated children's programs. We're also delighted to let you know that we have Wi-Fi available on this aircraft. Details on how to use it and the charges may be found in the seat pocket in front of you. However, a reminder, if you don't wish to avail of the Wi-Fi or incur any unnecessary charges, we would remind you to leave your devices switched off. My name is Ronan. I'm the cabin manager on board this flight tonight. I'm joined by Supervisor Joan O'Neill, and the seniors on board are Eva Curry and Anna Cole. We're also joined by 4 other crew to make your journey as safe and as comfortable as possible. So if there's anything else at all we can do for you throughout the night, please don't hesitate to call upon one of us. Meanwhile now, once again, I'd just like to invite you all to sit back and relax and enjoy your time with us.